Hey and welcome to Hyggestrikke. Today I'm gonna talk a bit about the magic behind a steam iron. Often when you're done with the project it looks like this. And the first thing that comes to my mind is it's never gonna be any good. But the difference between these two projects is only the color. It's the same size, it's the same knitting pattern, it's the same everything. The answer is patience and a good steam iron. I would recommend to sew in the buttons after you ironed the project. My steam iron is just a basic one from the supermarket. The heat on the iron don't go any higher than wool because you really don't want to burn the yarn. The magic is not the heat in the iron, it's the steam in the iron. And the pressure you apply on the project when you steam. When you steamed your product, let it be on the ironing board and dry out. Now we got the final result. You just have to sew in the buttons. This is now a nice little project and not a woolen curly thing. I use a lot of time on steaming my projects because they turn out really nice when you do so. It is so rewarding to have this final touch on your project. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe to the channel if you want more free knitting patterns.